Hi guys! Let's find out what's inside the box. Hi, I'm Stanley Ong. Welcome to my channel. For those who have been following me, you know that I'm very new in videography. So I've been trying to improve the quality of my video. And one of the improvement that I want is the audio quality. So I've been trying out different microphones from lav to lapel to shotgun. For today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing a new microphone by Sennheiser. It's the MKE200. So let's see what's inside the box. So let's open the box. First thing you see is the microphone itself. Oops. The microphone. Instruction manual. Oh, nice. It's a dead cat. There's a pouch where I can keep the microphone and all the accessories. And two cables. It's very thoughtful of Sennheiser to provide a cable for smartphone and a cable for our camera. Okay? So, there you go. So, the Sennheiser MKE200 is a super-cardioid directional microphone. It's small. It's very nice to bring around. It's easy. Just put it inside one corner of my camera bag. It has a built-in shock absorption and wind protection. It's easy to use. Just plug the cables in depending on what camera you're using, if you're using a smartphone or a camera. It's definitely going to be better than using the built-in microphone of my camera. Definitely it will be my workhorse for my run and gun shoots, especially in my vlogs. So that's it. That's how the microphone looked like when it's attached to the camera. I'll be using this setup for a couple of shoots, and then I'll come out with an episode sharing with you my experiences with this setup, especially the microphone. All right. For more detail of the microphone, I'll write it down in the description below. And for you guys who are interested to get one for yourself, you can purchase this online. This video is in partnership with Shuttermaster Pro. I'll write down the promo code below to get a 10% discount if you buy online. Okay, so that's it. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Click like and share. And see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.